Solidarity forever.
Tariki 5 mweri ukite nirio manathia ya matanyitwo kwambiriria mugomo makiuga thirikari ya kaunti ya Kitui ndere yahingire ko ciayo kuringana na ngirimiti iria yaiguithaniirio thutha wa mugomo wa mwaka wa 2017.
The union makes us strong.
Kuhitukira muikariri giti wa kiama kia manathi kaunti ya Kitui Newton Kimanthi riu maugite ciigana makiuga matiarihirwo thire wa marehi ma njoherera ma mwaka wa 2017.
We agreed nursing service allowance to be increased from 20,000 to 30,000, and this 10,000 will be spread in 3 years. First year 2018 they will add 3,000, 2019 3,500, 2020 3,500. We are now 7 months since July 2018 and we have not yet been added nursing service allowance of the 3,000.
Oho ni marutite mukana kuri aria mari na arwaru thibitari-ini cia muingi kaunti-ini no guthamiria arwaru thibitari-ini ingi makiuga matigacokereria wira-ini o nginyagia mateta mao magathikiririo.
We are telling our relatives, next of kin of our patients in all the level 3 to level 5 hospitals to come and pick or transfer their patients elsewhere, because on 4th February all nurses will go on strike.
Nyongerera ya mishara oro udumwe na kwambatirio ngathi kwa manathi ni mamwe ma maria maiguithaniirio mbere ya manathi gucokereria wira thutha wa mugomo wa kifururi wa mwaka wa 2017. Haduini Hakameme TV Jitagwo Ngina wa Wandirwa.
Solidarity forever.